Hi, this is a business opportunity of plug and play e-commerce export startup. Today, I'm going to guide you about fashion and designer bags. This is a highly profitable business. Many different products, what you are seeing here, are manufactured in India locally. And these products can be sold using e-commerce stores like Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho in India. And also we can export through our own e-commerce export in bulk quantities. So I want you to stick to this video till end so that you can learn about how great this business opportunity is. So as we can see in Amazon.com, sling bags for women, you can see 1,000 sales for each, and they're making great amount of profits. 8,000 sales at $10, 2,000 sales at $10, 3,000 sales $16. So if we can also list products like this in Amazon itself, we will be also able to make great amount of profits. Same if you see Etsy.com, here also these products have great sales. Look at the prices they're selling and the amount of reviews they have. That means each of these products are making great amount of profits for somebody who is selling them. Same if you go to Singapore's Lazada.com, here also you can see 11,000 sales, 7,000 sales, 5,000 sales, 8,000 sales. And if you go to Rakuten, that is Japan's website, here also you can see the prices are extremely high and they're also sold well. This is Noon.com, this is Dubai's website, and here also you can see 90 plus sold, 110 sold recently. So if you convert them in Indian rupees, they are actually profitable business to do. So what I'm giving you is basically an end-to-end opportunity where you can get started with the plug-and-play ready-made e-commerce business, which has got all the products listed by your supplier. So I'll teach you how to find that supplier and how to upload these products and how to get sales. You can make great amount of profits on a month-on-month basis in this. I'll give you some sample store and themes where you can simply get these products listed and design the website by yourself. Name the store, add the products, and start selling. This is going to be the most easy to do business opportunity because everything is included into single plug and play business with digital marketing support and ongoing mentorship that we will be giving you. So for your reference, I'm showing this is my e-commerce store. This is my brand Shripur, and this is my recent analytics of last 30 days. Let it load, yeah. And this is my lifetime of analytics. It's not a screenshot, it's real numbers which I'm showing you. I focus on B2B sales, so exact same strategy that is working for me. I'm guiding you in this business so that you can also get started with your own e-commerce store. I'm also giving you softwares and tools integrated into this all-in-one e-commerce store along with the mentorship. So you can just have your own domain name, add your own staff members, add your payment gateway so that people can directly pay you. I'll help you to set up this payment gateway also, help you to set up this e-commerce store, and also give you ongoing mentorship and guidance so you can get guaranteed sales. So everything included in the single program. You get 17 modules access for lifetime access, lifetime update with all the certifications, with practical ongoing training on a day-to-day basis. So we do live sessions on Zoom. We also provide one-on-one session to you so that you can keep learning from multiple mentors and experts at the same time. So even if you're a student looking for a job or starting a business, you should be starting a career in e-commerce because e-commerce is the future and every company is looking for e-commerce experts who can manage their online sales. And if you're a working professional, it's better to switch to a business or start your own e-commerce store along with the job so that you can leave your job and be full-time and become financially free. So these are the modules which I'm going to give you. These are in partnership with Amazon, with Alibaba, Tata Group, and top partners who are giving you guidance on e-commerce business. So this is going to be a plug and play automated e-commerce business with export opportunities where you can make easily up to 10 to 12 lakh rupees per month in exports of handbags, designer bags, fashion products like this. And you can also have many more products listed in this because I will be providing you the training on how to find the buyers and suppliers, and you can easily make profits within a month itself. So this business opportunity in the market should not cost less than 25-30 lakh rupees to start with, since you are going to get started with my support. So I am also making sure that you do not spend that much amount. So everything inclusive, you're just paying about 50,000 rupees for the mentorship and learning everything with lifetime access. But if you want the plug and play e-commerce business, I think that's the best deal because it comes with ready-made export business with complementary buyers data, suppliers data, and also the store builder included in the same program. Everything included, including the mentorship, one-on-one support, training, unlimited support you can contact and get from us. So this is how you can build a highly successful venture today with IIEC. So get started today. Don't miss out this opportunity. This is a wonderful business to do. The future is e-commerce. So don't delay in this. It's an investment, not a expenditure. So think of you are investing this amount so you can build a highly successful career in e-commerce with IIEC today.